Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Amino acid, we look at the classification on the basis of the polarity and also the nature. That is, by nature we mean if it is acidic or basic. So first one is looking at polar. So polar, it includes the serine, the threonine, aspartate, glutamine. Then comes aspartic acid and the glutamic acid. So there are two acids. Then lysine, there is arginine, there is histidine, there is cysteine, as well as the glycine. Next we move on to the non-polar. So non-polar is also known as a hydrophobic. So hydrophobic is a non-polar. It includes the alanine, it includes the valine, the leucine, isoleucine, and there is phenylalanine, there is tryptophan, there is methionine, proline, as well as the tyrosine. Next is acidic. So acidic, it includes the aspartic acid. Aspartic acid is the most acidic, and also the glutamic acid. Then comes basic, you have the lysine, arginine is the most basic, then is the histidine. So let's look at some the 9 most essential as well. 9 essential amino acid. This includes the threonine. Then comes the lysine, the histidine, the valine, isoleucine, phenylalanine, the methionine, as well as the presence of lysine. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.